Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if mobile data is slow on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so reinsert SIM card, remove SIM tray and clean with the help of tissue paper. After clean, again insert SIM card and you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold on side button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on restart, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if mobile data is slow on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.